Eh, namalot siya, guys. Tao, inapay na bilis yung kamot. Oh, tapon yun. Hello, people of the world! Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back again po in my video. And for today's video, mga guys, is for today's event is we have two parties and we have two events and rise and shine. Kailangan ng balot-balot para makaalis na tayo. Morning and afternoon, and mamaya guys is pipilitin ko talagang makahabol sa event ng aking mga kiddos, and so they have an grand recital po ngayon po yung nagaganap. So kahapon is wala akong event kahapon, and pumunta ako sa kanilang rehearsal. So nakaka-proud makita yung mga kids na talagang nag-grow na talaga sila guys, and syempre also nakikita mo na kaya na pala nilang gawin ang mga bagay na hindi mo kayang gawin noon. Proud to see na mga dancer yung mga anak ko, and yun nga, pipilitin ko makapunta doon sa kanilang event mamaya. Nagaganap yung kanilang event for today. So siyempre, isasama ko kayo doon mga guys kasi gusto ko makita yung mga performance nila in stage para kasi yung concert nila. So, yung mga bag sa likod is para na talaga akong lalayas dyan. Nakaprepare na yung ating mga gamit mamaya kasi nga, aalis na tayo later and maliligo na lang ako. And we have a human hosting sa Helen's Kitchen later this morning, and mamaya po sa evening or sa hapon mga 3 p.m. is meron tayong clown hosting doon sa Park Avenue, and yung ating human host for today, shout out to Castin Balloons, thank you so much. Magmumukhang tao tayo sa first event natin. Well, the second event, thank you, and shout out to Anna Marie Fabular, thank you so much for trusting me in your event also. So guys, maliligo muna ako and I will take a very, very, very light breakfast, and see you again later. By the way, may nakalimutan ako. If you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, and please don't forget to subscribe it now. And to my Facebook page, guys, pakipollow naman po. Mutia Baliling on my Facebook page, Facebook account. Again, don't forget to follow and subscribe on my social media account, Charis. My ganun. Click the bell button in our YouTube, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. And once again, welcome back. And this is me, Ating Mutia Baliling. And see you again later. And ayan guys, dahil medyo malilate na po tayo, ganyan po yung ating mukha. Ayan, medyo matraffic po on this, it's Saturday. Ayan, medyo matraffic po talaga. Prelaban pa rin tayo. Ayan, traffic ka lang. Si Mutia Baliling po. And yes, dahil pagdating natin ng mga guys is eksaktong-eksakto dahil kompleto na yung mga bisita and magsisimula na tayo. Yan naman for the first part of our program. Siyempre, unahin natin yung ating mga Lagari boys. Hey, shout out Zia Step Bubble Artist. Ayan sila mga guys. Yes, siyempre, dahil meron pa silang event doon sa kabilang party. Siyempre, unahin natin yung ating mga Lagari boys. Yes, once again, shout out the Zia Step Bubble Artist. Guys, if you want to book
kung gusto niyo po silang i-book or i-hire, okay, you can contact me or you can PM me on my personal account, on my Facebook account. Yes, and also in our Facebook page. That was a Mutia Balalay. As usual. Sino pa ba? So that's it mga guys. So, ayan. Enjoy muna natin yung mga kids sa Bubble Show. Kasi nga, minsanan lang maging bata. Ayan. Mataray din yan. Yung hindi pa nakatry ng mga ganyan mga bubble show. So, ayan guys, that's it. Enjoy, kiddos. Yes. And later, we will be having our magic show. Yes, that this is our first show of the day, and yes, and later we will go to our next event. And thank you so much, Mom and Sir, for trusting. So once again, shout out to Christine Balloons. Thank you so much for trusting me in your event. And again, if you want to book them, guys, you may contact to the Facebook account Christine Balloons Creation. You can search it on Facebook and also, yes, on Facebook. Yes, and next is, nandito na tayo sa ating pangalawang show. Ay, I'm so worried kasi wala pang tao, guys. Talagang, okay, meron na sila ma'am doon, mga 3 tao. And yes, we are here pa rin, the amazing Senyo, the magician. Kami pa rin yung mag-perform dito ngayon, guys. Kasi, yes, kasi kapag the amazing Senyo, the magician is iba po yan siya, mga guys. Kaya if you want to, kung naka-curious kayo, lalong-lalong dyan sa mga taga-Davao City, na hindi nyo pa nakita si Senyo, the magician, you may contact me on my Facebook page and i-book nyo po. Sa akin to kayo mag-book. Ayun, charis. And yes, guys, at sisimulan ko ng pipinturahan ng ating mukha para makapag-simula na din tayo sa ating second event of the day. I'm so happy, guys, kasi medyo mabilisan lang din dumating yung mga bisita, hindi gaano katagal nag-aantay sa mga guests na darating. Ayan. And okay, ganyan po yung mukha natin kapag mic up na po tayo. So, ayan guys, nagsisimula na ang ating event and hopefully, sana talaga guys, makakahabol po tayo doon sa ating pupuntahang event the next which is yun ang mga recital ng mga kiddos. Yun, so, yes, and ayan ang issue mga guys. We are going po doon sa event ng ating natin. Sana talaga is maabutan ko pa siya. Let's go!
This relevant occasion come to reality. We would like to thank Roland Angelico, Joanne Bayani, Jazz Ligtas, Danilo the Lion, Carl and Leo Water Refilling Station, Kabantian National High School Special. Let us hear a congratulatory message from Mr. Peter C. Cubelo, Chairperson of Kabantian National High School's School Governance Council. School Special Program in the Arts, we extend our deepest gratitude.
For restoration. Students, parents, and everyone, please po secure your valuable things and also your base. Play-Doh po tayo, Play-Doh. Again, Play-Doh po tayo. Throw your garbage properly. Music, dance, theater,
Wala. Ano wala man ka ng kilay? Dapat na pagwapa jud mong ayo kay live ba ya teacher?
Ang second part. Eh, namalot siya, guys. Tawi na pa nabili siyang kamot. Oh, tapon yun. Shalala. Ha?
Ayun, oy, grabe. Pati ka na, iba na.
Okay, natin pasalubong.